All right, happy Monday, everyone. Hope we had a good trading day. Whole market pretty much gapped down, got bought up. You like to see that gap down buy on a Monday. Here we got SPY back into all-time highs. Then we've got QQQ, another constructive day off that monthly retest there. Takes the day 2 up, looking to take that week up, and getting closer to taking that inside month to the upside. All right, let's get into the watch list. We've got ACLX. So had this one looking for the 3-2 up. Takes the day 2 down. Just barely flips that month red. Going to keep it on the watch list. Looking for the 2-2 day up to take the 3-2 up week into tomorrow. Then you've got 4. You have the 3-3-1 on the daily here, countering that inside month there. 1-2 down in green. Now 3-3-1 daily. Let's see what comes of that one. IONQ, when I'm already long shares, countering this inside month once again, but you have the 3-2-2, looking to take it back to the other side of this mini daily broadening formation here and continue to work its way up through these pivots here on the weekly. Next up, we've got KD, another one. You got the 3-1 holding that monthly green, looking for the 3-2 up week, countering that inside month once again. What we're seeing with a lot of these is countering inside months. Next up, LEGN. This one 2 down in green on the monthly, going off a 2 down month. You have the 3. Now you have the 2 potential setup on the daily to take it back up and take this 3-2 week to the upside, working back through these pivots here. LUMN, same kind of thing. What's the low? You have the 1, and then you have the, let's call it almost a 3. Either way, you've got the double inside day, takes it up, takes it down, comes back 2 down in green, holding that monthly green. Again, countering an inside month, potential 3-2 up day off the 3-2 up week off the 2-2 day, countering that inside month back to the upside. MSTR gave a good chance for an entry here, came back and retested that monthly open, sets up the potential 2-2 day back up, bottom of this big broadening formation here. Needs to get moving, obviously, with Bitcoin and all of those other those coins. So we'll have to see how that one goes. Last up, we got UWMC, explosive 3 on the weekly. Takes this inside day, gaps up, goes all day on Friday. Now you have another inside day, looking for the 3-2 up week expansion and the possible 3-3 on the monthly here to get working back through these pivots up in here. All right, so that's what we're looking at for actionable dailies and some actionable weeklies, if you will. So looking to take those 3-2 up weeks. Let's get into the open positions here. Took a couple more positions today. I did actually take the AI 15 calls here for 220. Oh. Come on. I'll clean that up later. But we've got ABR. Again, 2 down daily, keeps that monthly green. So again, still fits the criteria. Going to stay along that one. AI, you had the looking for the inside week break to the upside. Takes the inside week to the upside. Fails a little bit. Good volume in there today. So did take some 220-15 calls. Going to keep those in my pocket. And going to stay along the shares as long as we stay above that monthly open. We've got AIRS. That's another one I was looking at. Another one I was looking at. What are the other ones? Another one I was looking at. Looking at potentially adding in a scan that shows some of these. Actually, I can just run through them real quick. That shows some of these under. Actually, let's go through the watch list first, and then I'll go through the open positions. That's what I was thinking of there. All right, then you got BABA. 3-1 on the daily, gaps up, goes all day. Outside month is complete. 2-2 week, down $3 after hours, but you've got your 3 on the monthly. Huge days here. Going to stay along that one. That makes you start looking at the other ones. You've got Baidu, not as great of a day. Then you've got JD, inside month to the upside. You've got KWeb. Oh, what else is there? My brain is escaping me right now. But keep the Chinas on your watch list going forward. Oh, you've got Futu. Yep. All right. Keep the Chinas on your watch list for now, as they all seem to be getting bought up early in the year. Next up, you've got BBBY. So again, fails this 3. Yeah, the 3 here. Basically, compound 3 takes it down, takes it all the way back up, takes it all the way back down. So you've got this broadening formation here on the daily. Did take the 2-2 week down, flip that month back red, so I will be cutting this if it does not put in a constructive day tomorrow. That makes it look like it could reclaim that month's lows. Next up, you got CARR, another one from the weekend watch, just looking for the 3-2 up. You get the inside day. So ideally what you're going to see here is some kind of a 1-2 down, maybe come by it back up. Break that 3-2 up week on Wednesday off a 2-2 day here. Cody, same kind of thing. So you're looking for an inside day down. Come out, maybe take these lows out, and then come and set up some sort of a hammer to take the 1-2-2 day to the upside and take the 3-2 week up. Core weave. Ripper. Tight, tight, tight pockets. Inside, inside. 3 on the daily. Boom. Bought it up all day. Take that monthly 2 up. So when I did get this monthly 2 up, I added 0.25. So I think I was holding like 7 shares. I added 2 shares. So take your initial position, and then I'm going to add smaller. This is the first time I've done it into a following month when it's worked for me. So added again, but added a much smaller size, and going to see how that strategy works going forward. Obviously, you're looking for it to get all the way up here, so plenty of range here to come and take these guys out up in here. Could be looking at a double just off this 2-2 monthly break. Come on, let's just go this way. Geo, again, inside day, so looking for something similar to Cody and Carr. Inside day potentially to the downside. Come set some kind of actionable daily up here to take those 3-2 weeks up. A lot of the same kind of things. You got Geo there, then you got HD, and simple day, staying long. Hims stayed long this one. So kind of what we were looking for some sort of a daily actionable to come set it back up and flip this month green. So now we finally tick the lows of this pocket, which is what I was wanting to see all along. So I'm kind of glad it did this. Sets up a real constructive day, potential bottom of the broadening formation there to come ripping back through. You've already got the 3-2 down in green on the week, so looking to go 3-3 week if it stays green and come rinsing back through all these pivots here on the weekly and on the monthly. So still long that one. Again, if it fails tomorrow, cutting, but for now, staying long because it's setting up an actual daily to flip that month back green. Hog, poor day. IONQ, already talked about that one. MSTR, already talked about that one. OPRX. Here's when I found intraday when it took the 2-2 day up. Looking for that. Like the range back on here, you've got about $8.50 a range. Comes ticks these guys out right down here. Similar to Hims, taking out the bottom of these potential mini broadening formations, and back up we go, getting through all these guys here. PTLO, Portillo. Caught this one later on a scan, actually last night after I had uploaded the video. Then you got the gap up, so got in right on this gap up as soon as I daily opened and flipped green, stayed long. Still going to use the same stop rules that apply, but look at this range here. Boom, a nice double. If the stock wants to cooperate with us. Peloton, again, decent day. It is what it is. RNG did get long this one. It took the day up. Was looking for the week up. 3-2 up week, took it, and then kind of failed, so still in it. I think I got in a little bit higher, right up in here, I think is where I got in. But again, not much risk to the downside, about $1 of risk to the downside. Nice looking chart here on the yearly, if we can get in potentially off the 1-2-2 year looking at. 5. Oh, come on, man. Quarter looks decent. Inside quarter, potentially the upside. Taking that month, 2 down in green, getting it started to get moving back through these guys here. All right, and that's what I wanted to go through. The other ones is I was looking at some of these ones under $5, flipping those monthlies back green, just because I'm going to probably work with these maybe with 0.25% of the account, just because I want to use less size when I'm getting in on these ones. But some of this range is real enticing. So you've got Airs I was looking at, you've got AMC I was looking at, 2 week off the bottom, flipping that monthly back green. We all know what AMC has done before, but again, you've got all these pivots to come back through. What was another one? NFE I was looking at. Again, 2 down in green month, 3-2 up on the weekly, 3 on the daily here. Again, you've got these ranges to come back through. You don't need a lot of shares, and you can turn it back into a good profit rather quickly with low risk, right? Like you're in here at 126, so you get in here, so you're in at 133. Your risk is about 19 cents, give or take, and you're looking to get up into 1.7. So right there is a 2-to-1 R to R. And getting up into these 2.66, so that would be basically a make a buck, lose 25-to-1 R to R. So you're getting into some, again, not all of these are going to work, but using such a tight stop, you're not using many shares, and the ones that go, I mean, if you can catch a couple of these that get moving and go up to $3, $4, $5, $6, you're gonna make a really good return on that. And what I do like about it is, dissimilar from options, is there's no time frame on them. You know, they could stay here, they can chop around all month, however long. I'm not gonna lose value. So I do like that aspect of getting a similar R to R without having to use options and have to worry about timing. That's all I've got for you guys today. Let's get another green day. Like the gap down buy on a Monday. Let's keep it going. Turn around Tuesday. Keep that market getting strong. CPI, PPI Wednesday, Thursday, and we'll play it as it comes. All right. Have a good night.